guys, welcome back to today's video. So as promised, I told you guys, I think it was Tuesday, that we were going to unbox the September Boxycharm. I have it right here. It came yesterday and I was super excited to open this with you guys on camera, see what's inside. Finally doing this like right at the beginning of the month. I'm going to try to be a lot better about doing it like right when it comes. I also want to see how this compares to my glossy box. If you guys missed that I did a couple days ago, so I will link that up here or down in the description box so you can watch that. It was a really fun box. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. It is the first link in my description box, or you could hit the red subscribe button and tap the little bell so you'll get notified every time I upload. And let's just get on into it. If you guys are new and you've never heard of Boxycharm, it is a $25 a month beauty subscription box, all full-size products. I actually do often use a lot of stuff that I get in my Boxycharm, which is, maybe I'll do like a video about that or a reel or something about Boxycharm products that I actually use like in my everyday makeup routines. I think that would be fun. I always have a link down below if you guys want to sign up. It is a affiliate link, so I get a small commission if you guys sign up, and I always thank you guys so much for using my links. And they do send this box to me for free so I can open it for you guys, so that's always really fun for me. So thank you, Boxycharm. So I am just going to open it up and reach my hand in. This is the pamphlet. We don't look at that until it's over, and I like it to be a surprise, so I am not gonna look. So, product number one. It's a brow gel. This is from a brand called St. Lux, which I've never heard of before. Lux, who are you? Let's open this up and see. I could always use a brow gel. Is it tinted? Is it clear? Looks, yeah, it's a clear brow gel. Basic kind of clear brow gel. I can always use these, especially for my fluffier brow that I've been doing. This is really nice to kind of lock everything into place. This is pretty cool. I do like the packaging, which is also very sleek, and this is pretty fun. Number two, what is this? A little bag. Elena Badro. I've never heard of that. Let's see. It's a cute little suede bag. Maybe brushes? Wouldn't be Boxycharm without brushes, am I right, you guys? I always like getting brushes because I do end up using them. So this is, I feel like this brand sounds familiar. Maybe I do know this brand, but this is 3 brushes. So we have this super soft angled blush brush. I love these. This one's actually a little bit more on the thinner side. Really nice for working blush onto the high points of your cheeks. And then we have a crease brush. I love using crease brushes. I go through tons of them when I'm doing my makeup, so that will always be used by me. And then we have a angled eye brush. So this is great for, you can use this for brows, you can use it for liner on top, you can use it for liner on the bottom. So it is super multi-purpose. So I always like a liner brush. Number 3. What is this? Quick Slick by insert name here. I think this is one of those like hair gels. Yeah, it's one of those hair gels that like tames your flyaways. So if you have like a super sleek ponytail in, or if you get a lot of flyaways like on top, like I sometimes get them on top, like new hair growth, this will smooth it down. Make those ponytail things that you can put in your hair and it makes your ponytail really long, like a extension that you can clip in. This is cute. I like the packaging. I actually own something very similar to this that I got from a brand. I don't want to open it and waste it, so I'll probably save it for one of you guys. But I really do like the idea of this, just to smooth everything down. This will be great for like a day if you're doing a very sleek bun. This will come in really handy. On to our 4th product. Let's see. There's one more small thing in here and then it feels like one big thing. So this is number 4. Ooh, we have Dr. Brand Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. That's pretty cool. Dr. Brand I've gotten quite a few times in my box, so they must partner up a lot with BoxyCharm. So this is, I always, by the way, confuse Dr. Brand and Peter Thomas Roth. They're like very interchangeable for me, especially because Peter Thomas Roth just went viral on TikTok for that under eye bag cream, which was really cool. It has antioxidant protection, a dynamic shield of age defense and anti-stress, helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and helps to moisturize. I've really been liking eye creams right before I put my concealer on, just to make sure that area is nice and moist. I never used to do that, but now I feel like I should. Just to prevent anything from getting super cakey. So this is really nice. I feel like I've kind of been on like a eye cream overload. Like I have so many. That's pretty cool. And that is a higher end brand. And then this is my last product. It feels like a palette. Let's see. Is this another one of the it's either OPV I feel, or what's the other one? Hip Dot. That was the other one I was thinking of. Let's see. Oh, I was wrong on both levels. This is from Blink. Blink, from their mascara, they make tubing mascaras. I remember getting one at like a trade show maybe like 5 or 6 years ago. They're not like talked about too much. Not a lot of people know about them as a brand. So this is the Glow Getter face palette. We haven't got a face palette in BoxyCharm in quite a little bit, and it looks like there's a lot of shades in here. So I'm excited to see what they look like. So let's just open this up and see. Ooh, I love that this has blushes. And we also have 4 highlighters down here, which would work for a variety of skin tones. These all look really nice, and the blushes, these first 2 look more matte. This one's more shimmery, and then this one actually, it's not really a bronzer, it's more just like a deeper blush, which I think it would be absolutely beautiful. Ever show up well. That's the first highlighter, Empowered. It's like a yellowy gold. Ooh, that one's really pretty. It's called Confident. These are really nice. And then this one's called Brilliant. They all have like a yellow tone to them. I really like all 3 of those. And then the 4th one is more for like a medium, deeper skin tone. It's like a coppery kind of color. It's actually really pretty. It's called Fearless. For the blushes, let's see. That's like a pretty soft pink. I love soft pinks like this. I feel like they're really girly. Mauve shade, I would wear that every day. That one right there. That 3rd one. And then the last one is that pretty deep, like brown color. So those are the blush shades. Those are the highlighter shades. That's what I got in my box. Also, I hope the lighting isn't too dark. It's very gloomy out today. All is the pricing. So that Blink Glow Getter palette retails for $50. It's a BoxyCharm exclusive. The Elena Badgero Baby Blue set retails for $58 for those 3 brushes. The Dr. Brand eye cream retails for $46. The St. Luxe Beauty retails for $22. That was that brow gel. And then the insert name here, Hair Slick, retails for $22. That's the one to tame your flyaways. Retail of everything was $198. So pretty amazing for $25. I thought it was a really good box. I think what I'm most excited about is the Glow Getter face palette. I think this has really beautiful shades and highlights. They feel nice and soft to the touch. I'm excited to see what these look like when I wear them. So that, and I think the brushes are really cool. It's nice from Dr. Brand. Always can't say no to that. And the other 2 products were like just okay for me. So let me know if you guys got the same box as me. Oh, let me tell you what mine was. It was C2109001-BA. I know a lot of you guys always ask me what weight box I have. I did weigh it after, like I put everything back inside, and it weighed 15.7 ounces. So hopefully that's helpful to you guys. And I hope you liked this unboxing. 2 in 1 week. We're on a roll. All the boxes. So hope you liked it, and give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Thank you guys so much for watching, for commenting. I really appreciate your support. Helps me out so much, and I like chatting with you guys down below. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.